Yo, what is going on, guys? Steve Games here. Welcome back to another video. So as promised, guys, in this video I am obviously going to be unboxing my Thrustmaster joystick. But yeah, before we get into the unboxing, please do hit the thumbs up, guys. That'd be absolutely amazing. I reckon we could go for 30 likes, guys. I reckon we could go for 30. We'll get into this. So as you can see, this is what we're going to be unboxing, guys. This right here. So if we can, we'll just open it up like so. We have obviously the instructions, or whatever you want to call them. It is nicely packed as well, so they obviously didn't use it that much. To be fair, when I went to go and get it, they said bought it from new, but I only used it once. I'll try and get this out. Like we're going to break it, so I'll leave that there. Yeah, we don't need that box. So what we're going to do now is clip it like that, so we don't need this. Put all like stuff over it, but that's nothing too major. So like you've got this sort of stuff. You know, there's a few. It's even got, as you can see, look. I don't know if you can see it twisting, look. So that's like the rudder. So instead of like doing that when turning, so it goes like that, that'll literally just drift around the corner. And then obviously you've got a switch here for PC or PS3. Obviously we are the PC, and then obviously you've got the USB stick, and then we come to this other bit. So as you can see, we've got whatever this is here, some buttons here. So yeah, as we can see here, you've got like a button here, you've got like L1, L3, R3 here. Don't know if you can see that right there, and I think this is classed as an R4. No, that's R1. So we've got R1 underneath, which is the trigger underneath. R3 here, an L1 and an L3, and then obviously here you got like mapping and these other few buttons here, which I'm not too sure. And obviously like, you know, does this, does that, and obviously if you can see that it actually turns like that. So that's like the rudder. And then on this bit here, you've got like whatever these buttons here. So you've got an SC, ST, and then obviously that's the home button, because of this one here. And obviously like here you've got like the power, with these lines here of the speed. So obviously when you first take off, it'll literally be all the way up there, and obviously when you're about to land, you'd obviously pull this back. And yeah, but yeah, we'll get used to that side of it. Not quite sure. It's just got 5, 6 and 7, and then you've got a button here, which I'm not too sure about either, so that'll probably be something we'll look into when we're actually on the game. And then at the back are these sort of buttons. So you've got an R2, an L2, and then whatever this thing here does. I'm not sure exactly. So, and as you can see as well, this clips into there. So like that. So literally, you can either have it either way. So you can have it like that, where it connects. So then your arm will sort of be here, and then with the other one, that would sort of be there like that. Or you can detach it like that. So you can have it quite a way away, because there's quite a long lead on it between there and there. But yes, that is pretty much it, guys, on the unboxing. I hope you do enjoy this, guys. But next we will be doing an unboxing of this when I get around to it. This is the AG6 stereo gaming headset, Afterglow, but whatever it says up there. But yeah, guys, this is going to be it for this one. But yeah, hope you have enjoyed that, guys. I'm gonna do maybe, like, obviously when I buy more stuff, we'll do some more unboxing stuff and stuff like that. So yeah, hopefully you did enjoy this, guys. Hopefully we'll get to use it soon. It's just a matter of setting up like all the buttons and stuff like that. But yeah, please do hit the thumbs up, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay safe, guys, and I'll see you all soon. Peace out.